to Betty's Cooking Channel. Thank you for joining me this morning. It's a gorgeous day, and I'm gonna show you some items that I purchased from Amazon, and I just love them. But today I'm making spicy tuna. It's so warm here in Texas. I love eating salads, some type of salad dish. So today I'm making you spicy tuna. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients I will be using today. A little yellow mustard, a little mayo, half a stick of cream cheese, little green peppers, 2 cans of tuna, 1 tomato, 2 teaspoons of mayo. This cream cheese is room temperature. I'm having myself some tea this morning. It's moringa tea. I try to have some every day. Move some of this stuff out of the way. And I'm gonna put, I would say a tablespoon and a half of Louisiana Hot Sauce. And I'm going to place about a tablespoon of mustard. That's about a tablespoon. Okay. I opened my tuna and drained my tuna. So now I'm going to mix it in this bowl. I've opened my green peppers. These green chilies got 2 carbs per serving. So I'm just going to add a heaping teaspoon of chilies in here. And I will use the rest of the chilies for something else I'm making. So that's all I need in this dish here. See how everything is coming together. It's looking good, smelling good. I'm going to give it a taste. It's very good, but I always like a little sugar in my salads. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little sugar. Add a little stevia. Not much, just a little bit. And you want to do the same thing. You want to taste your food, see if it's to your liking. And that's what I do. I taste it to see if it's to my likings. It's not that spicy, just a little spicy. I know my sisters, if they stop by, they don't like spicy stuff, so I try to keep it a little below my heat level, because I really could take it up a couple more notches, but it's summer, and they might stop by for lunch or a snack or something like that, so I always have something ready in the refrigerator for family and friends. I'm gonna taste this spicy tuna dish again. And I added the sugar, so I wanna make sure it's enough. It is just perfect. Really, really good. So, all right, let me move to my next step here. I'm gonna show you these in a little bit. I wanna finish this tuna salad first. And I will show you these things that I ordered from Amazon. All right, I have a beautiful tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Oh, I love the summer. I just love summer. Just so many beautiful things I like to make and eat during the summer. I'm gonna cut this about right there. I got this at our farmer's market here. And I'm gonna scoop out the inside of the tomato. Just a little bowl over here. So do that. Place it over here. And I just love to make my food very pretty. I used this tomato in a salad today. I always have salads with everything. Whatever I eat, I have salads. I love salads. That's my little top. And I'm gonna spoon this in, just some of it. I had 2 tomatoes, but I ate one, so I don't have enough to make 2. So I'll put my little top halfway on, like that. I cut up some lettuce, washed the lettuce first, and then cut up the lettuce. And the tomato that I added on the top of it is from the tomato that I took out of that whole tomato there. This is a fun dish that you can make it in 10 minutes. I mean, it's very, very good. Very tasty. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.